Well, first of all, the workshop was a very extraordinary experience that I myself was very thankful to be part of. Just to be able to work with a group of individuals who are very experienced and who's more wiser than I am.
Nowadays, like we want to make sure we're safe online, so we don't always post everything.
It was a great honor to be able to educate them and share with them tips and tricks to be able to use their smartphones, because a lot of Manamkus nowadays, like, they always come to us for help. They always just like, hey, can you do this? Oh, how do you do this? Boy, come here, do this for me, fan.
We're really excited to teach the Manamko the more important things to navigate their smartphones and really stay connected, because ultimately it all starts with us. It starts with us as a telecom company. It starts with us providing the smartphone devices and the plans that are necessary. And it also starts with us as telecom leaders and experts to really teach them the importance of staying connected.